first day when I joined, I attended the class of yours, of Lifeshines. I almost got all the answers. Almost all the answers. If some of you who are listening to me are good in English might be pointing out my mistakes, grammatical mistakes, but I don't care. Actually, I don't care. Every time when I was giving my good, he took out best from me. Every time he took out best from me. And this is the very right place. We are very lucky having such a nice teacher, such a nice institute in our life. Anyways, hello everyone. I'm Anjali. I introduced myself yesterday, and I was about to share about my journey with Life Shines. And as I said yesterday, that some days before, when I got to know that I'm going to share with you all my journey with this institute, so many beautiful memories, so many good things started hovering and reminding from past 4 years. I think 4 to 5 years I'm with Lifeshine Institute. Uh, Friends, let me tell you that before 4 years, before joining Lifeshines, I was not able to speak anything, not even a single sentence. At the time of admissions, asked me some simple questions in English for the admission purpose, and I hardly managed all the words and sentences to answer that simple questions, very simple questions. I was not able to express myself, or I was not able to speak even a single language, a simple language. I do remember there are some family friends of ours in Mumbai and Kalyan, and they are very used to with this language. They speak this language very naturally, and whenever we meet each other, they simply ask, "How are you?" And when they used to ask me, "How are you?" I was not able to answer them, though I know that "How are you?" I was taught in the first standard that the answer for "How are you?" is "I'm fine." But even then, I was not able to answer that I am fine because I was scared. I was scared that what next? What I will say next? And what if they speak in English? What they will ask after this? So I just switched the language. I just switched from English to my any other language. So, but I am very fond of English. I'm very fond of this language. I love this language. I always love to speak this. And at that time, when I was not able to speak, so many questions arrived in my mind. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Why I'm not? Yes. So many questions arrived in my mind that why I am not able to speak. I can understand English very well. I can write it very well. I can get it very well. But even then, I'm not able to speak it. Then the first day when I joined, I attended the class of yours of Life Shines. I almost got all the answers. Almost all the answers. The first thing you said that commit mistakes. I got to know that yes, I'm not able to speak because of that fear that I'm going to commit mistakes. What other people will feel if I commit mistakes. And so many things you said that no one is going to like आपको पुलिस पकड़ के नहीं लेकर जाएगी if you commit mistakes. So
Yes,
many
ma'am.
so many things you said, and it was like a brainwash of mine. I took all these things with me. I wrapped all these things with me, and I started committing mistakes. Forget about speaking. I started committing mistakes, and I started speaking. I started wherever I get a chance, wherever I get opportunities, I started speaking. I forgot all about hesitations. I forgot all about the mistakes, and just started speaking and speaking and speaking. Of course, why? Of course, because of the positive vibrations that I got from the institute. Of course, all because of all the things that you gave us while teaching. You gave us the confidence. You gave us the way of speaking, the way how we should express ourselves, the way how to construct the sentences, how to use the words, and the main thing, I'm not good in what good. I'm poor. I'm zero in English grammar. I don't know English grammar at all. Even now, I don't know English grammar at all. Like if some of you who are listening to me are good in English might be pointing out my mistakes, grammatical mistakes, but I don't care. Actually, I don't care. Because if I go to such things that whatever I don't know, if I go through that, I will not able to speak. So instead of going through the things I don't know, I focus on the things that I very well know, right? So I go after the things that I very well know, I use them, and after speaking, I just sit with myself and and remind the things that where I was wrong. If I used some things incorrectly, then I try to correct them for next time and try to remind them, recall them that definitely I will correct these things for the next time. All friends, I just want to say that of course, Sir is with us all the time whenever we meet him. But I think it's your 28th or 29th session. Almost half of his
Yes.
class has completed. So, um, for other classes, I just want to suggest you all that Sir is with us, no doubt, but try to go with the things, try to put your all your efforts in this. I did so. Like when I was in the class, and I'm in a big family. We are having a joint family. I didn't get the time for myself. Even then, I took out time during that sessions, during that class. Yes, of course, I do the things even now, but I'm not getting that much time. But when the classes were there, I was the part of that classes. I gave my best. I tried to give my good. I had my everything. I worked hard. I took out time. Uh, so many activities. I got so many activities to do, like that selling of that sari and debates and experience sharing. The most favorite thing of mine is that experience sharing, because this thing helped me a lot. Actually, this thing helped me a lot. So you might remember that whenever
Yes.
you gave chance for experience sharing, I was first to come.
Yeah, exactly.
Every time I was first to come, every time. I never know what I have to say, but I have to say, I have to speak. And Sir is there for getting the mistakes. I didn't care of any mistakes. I just came and speak. And that thing helped me a lot, a lot. So, because this is the place where we are getting a chance to prove ourselves or to express ourselves. And if we are wrong, Sir is there for us. He will help us. He will tell us about our mistakes. So instead of going out and having fear with fear and scared of speaking, why should not we practice here? I i really tried to be here. Always I tried to work hard. I always tried to give good. And friends, let me know let me tell you that this is the right place. This is when you try to give your good, when you try to give your good, Sir will definitely take out best off from you.
Yes,
So
Yes,
ma'am, you are
yes, yes,
absolutely
yes, ma'am.
right, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is the right place to give your
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the right place to boost your confidence.
yes, ma'am, yes. Every time when I was giving my good, he took out best from me. Every time he took out best from me. And this is the very right place. We are very lucky having such a nice teacher, such a nice institute in our life. So grab the opportunity, uh, take out best from you, take out good from you, and what to say, you all are getting agree, and that means you all are experienced all the things that I am saying, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all the best, everyone. I I just want to say that give your best and remember one thing. Like earlier, I was scared of others, and now I think that others are meant to help us. Others are born to help us. Like if others are listening to us, well, while I am speaking in English and others are listening to me, it means they are helping me to improve my confidence.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if others are pointing my mistakes while speaking in English, and if they are pointing my mistakes, it means they are helping to improve my language. So instead of getting scared of others, make them our helpers and try to speak in front of others also. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely right,
Well
ma'am.
done, madam.
Absolutely right, ma'am.
That's very,
Thank you.
very true. You have put it
Wonderful
very
advice,
well.
madam.
Thank you, sir.
And
Uh,
few words for Mr. Nilesh sir. As you spoke about Mr. Nilesh sir, madam, I think the way he teaches us. I think he's a skilled teacher I have ever seen.
Me too.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so
I
That's
much,
what
agree
I
madam.
with
was
you.
Mr.
saying.
Sunil
I
Patil.
agree with you, sir. I agree with you.
So take full advantage of him and he will be
Yeah.
with us happily. I know that with all his
Yes.
pleasures.
And
I also
thank you
want
so much,
to
sir, to be our teacher.
thank you very much, sir, for all the appreciation and praise and all the good words. Thank you very much from your side.
Thank
I
you, sir.
also want to share one simple incident that happened when Anjali Khatia madam was there. It was our first year actually, and she joined I think in the month of November, I suppose, madam.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't know
November.
November before that, yeah. And it was the
November.
December there. We had the first ever grand annual function, and we were all pumped up. Yes, we are going to be there, and we are actually going to celebrate it in a very grand manner. It was the very first, and we usually used to take out student of the month, student of the week, and student of the year. So the number was right from January, okay, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and it was December, and we almost decided 11 people, and the 12th man was a surprise. When it was the final thing, suddenly the name was announced. It's Anjali Khatri madam. She is supposed to be the 12th man. She is supposed to be the 12th, that student of the month of or month for December. So the way she spoke, I did not have the recording at the time. From the next year, we started recording all the sessions. But the way she spoke, it was, oh my God, it was really wonderful. That was the great thing that happened. And usually it used to happen as far as our offline classes are concerned. I used to give lots of chances to those people who were ready to speak in front of the people. There used to be public, and the people used to come and talk in front of them. And that used to be a kind of a confidence booster for them too. So, madam, yes, she also said, she also mentioned many things. I also want to mention one more thing. Yes, it is not all about the teacher. It is also all about the student. She is an ardent student. She is very good at accomplishing and completing and achieving her things in time, and she's very good at not procrastinating anything. So that was
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
her quality. That's why
Yes,
she
sir.
could achieve so many things. Yeah, I
I
must
agree,
agree
sir.
this too. Yeah,
I agree, sir.
exactly. That was
Yes. Yes.
from her part.
So
Yeah.
that
May I
day
say
Thank
when
you very
something,
you
much.
sir? May I say something,
Yes,
sir?
yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
I wanna say to madam that I don't believe, ma'am, that just before 4 years, yes, you was not able to speak. You are now so fluent, and I got the impression that Nilesh sir is a magician.
yes, yes, ma'am. That's what I was
You are
about to
a
say.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
and
I
This
and
is
do
the
some
and
magic tricks.
magic
yeah,
of this
yeah.
institute.
and
Yeah,
and I wanna say that your speech is very inspiring for us, ma'am. I would like to
thank you,
listen you
ma'am.
again, and I hope after a few months I will be like you.
We will be
Yes.
like you,
we
ma'am.
will be.
We will be
We will
like
be.
you, ma'am.
We will be like
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
And
Thank you.
Hope
Thank
I
you,
will
ma'am.
get to listen to you after few months. I will be here to
Yes.
listen to you.
And
Yes, yes. Thank
and
you, ma'am. Thank
one
you,
more
sir.
and the
thing.
magic power is different techniques, skills, and all the efforts he puts in.
Yes, yes. I
One more
agree with you,
thing,
sir.
and compel me to call you in different classes. For all the listeners, I'm telling you, compel me. मुझे मजबूर करो कि सर आ जाऊंगा, मैं आ जाऊंगी नेक्स्ट क्लास में. The same way I'll be presenting कि how this was beneficial for me, and this is how you can proceed.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
well
but
done.
this
Thank
is
you
Okay, no
very much.
problem.
Yes.
sir, this is most beneficial for us.
Yes,
I
Yes.
got a chance to speak. I never get this such chance. I never get such opportunities. As a housewife,
And
yes, sir.
you make the best use of it, actually, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Learn from you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you very much, madam, for all the appreciation and all the praise. But my first and foremost point is that these people should learn, like something from you, and I think they got the best lesson of their life. And the way you presented, madam, I must say it was amazing. You were going so smooth, so nice, and you're so positive. This is what, the attitude I love. From everything, even from the scratch, you would find the positivity. Keep it up. The best thing, this is what, and I want you to hold it with yourself.
And
Okay,
even though,
then.
sir, even though there was no haste in her speech, she was,
Yes,
as you
exactly.
guided us yesterday, she was, speaking very smoothly and in such a lovely way. So at that time, I kept on listening. I kept on listening, even though it was sprinkling over there. I didn't enter
Thank
the hut.
you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's wonderful, madam. Thank you very much. Please
Thank you,
clap for
sir.
her.
Thank
Yes,
you.
all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Yes.
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
One secret, let me share. I'm recording this because madam wanted to listen to you, but now she's sleeping. She was like, let me, I want to listen to Anjali madam, but I did not disturb her. She will be listening to it afterwards. And if it is possible, madam, I will send the recording to you.
Thank
Okay?
you, sir.
Take care, all of you.
Sir,
Bye for now. We'll
sir,
see you
Bye
tomorrow
bye.
sharp at 4
4
o'clock.
o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Yes.
uh,
Bye bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.